Hey, welcome back. Y'all already know for what? Yes, a quick little video. All right. So, look, we're going to be talking about Liv. But first, Liv, let me come to you and, what is his name? Brandon. And I'm going to have to tell you, I apologize. I solely apologize. I am sorry. You get what I'm saying? Because from the picture that you showed to Brandon when he didn't even know you was putting him on camera, he didn't look like real cute or anything. But baby, I am here to tell you that you found you a nice little face. He's definitely a looker. You get what I'm saying? My brother used to use that word. That word means yeah, somebody gonna look at him. All right. Yeah, he's definitely that. Baby, when I tell you that he has a great personality, I don't know, Liv, how that's going to go down with you. Because, Liv, you already know, Liv, that you are bipolar. I mean, you already know. All right. But what I can say, your relationship is so much more interesting when it comes to Jazz and Chris. All right. Every time Jazz brings Chris on the camera or I hear Chris in the background, it just like the first thing I think of first of all is the color red. We already know when the camera come on, we already know what Chris is going to have on. Even though he done graduated to, that little Subway shirt turned inside out. I don't know if you've seen that, Liz. But yeah, if you want something to laugh about or you just bored, I'm trying to tell you, go ahead on over there to Jasmine channel. All right. Because honey, it is some kikis over there. All right. But getting back to Brandon, yeah, Brandon, he like real cool. Like, I mean, he real calm. You know what I'm saying? Sound like he real collective. But he is a little bit bossy. I definitely see that, But sometimes that's what a woman needs. And Live the way you are, you need somebody to control you, to calm you down, to sit you down immediately. Because you know how you are, Live. Like I said, the bipolar, it might come out at any time. But let me put you down with something. So, Brandon told us basically that he has a military background. So I'm going to break it down for you when you are dealing with someone that actually has a military background. Like I told you all before, I'm a military brat. So that's why you probably can see the way I act is because I'm a military brat. All right. An extremely spoiled military brat. Now, military men, they like to carry themselves a certain way. All right. Not only that, but what I am going to say is women are always more attracted to men that have that military background. I don't know what it is, but they are very, very attracted to them. Now, with Chris, like I said, he has a good personality. But when you're dealing with military men, they like for you to carry yourself a certain way. So, Liv, you know how you just be going off, you get what I'm saying? And you be on these tangents and you have these crying spells. 1 minute you like Gerard, the next minute you don't like Gerard. 1 minute you want to fight Gerard, the next minute you don't. Yeah, they not for that. Because most of the time, a military man, they try to stay out of confrontation. Because I'm going to tell you like this. They are born and they are trained to fuck people up. All right. Yeah. So I can tell you now that you might want to be quiet. You might want to go ahead and recollect yourself. Not only that, but military, you can't have no junky house around them. You can't have a whole bunch of dishes in the sink. You can't. And the other day, he was washing them. Right? That's right there what I'm talking about. You can't have no messy house. All right. They want your house to be clean. They want their clothes hung up a certain way. They might even want them color coded. Let me tell y'all something. My father, like I said, he a military man. And he blows the shit out of me. Because this is the shit that he do. Soon, I'm like, Daddy. He like, what? I'm like, why? Why? I mean, why do you keep putting creases in your pants? Like, seriously. So if I leave a pair of my pants over there, something, and he goes to wash them, I get my pants, you get what I'm saying? And they literally are standing up because he done starched them and then pressed them. And at that point, I'm mad. Because I'm like, Dad, the way you press stuff, I can't even get these creases out. What's wrong with you? You ain't even supposed to be creasing nothing no more. Who likes creases? Yeah, I'm sorry I had to get like that, but yeah, that my dad does that, and I'm gonna tell y'all, when I tell y'all I be angry, I be so freaking mad. I just be like, all right, give them to somebody at the church, and I'm gonna go buy me another pair of those jeans. Because as hard as you to crease them, I can't even get the crease out. I mean, he is the one who get the big bottle of starch like this damn big, get the spray bottle and make his own starch. Yeah, so get it back, you get what I'm saying? Yeah, Brandon, he ain't gonna be up for all of that. I can tell you right now, Brandon is not going to be up for all of that. I can also tell you where you said that Brandon has met Gerard. No, that ain't happened. That ain't happened at all. And I'm going to leave it at that. That did not happen. And I'm pretty sure you can see how Brandon's attitude is, how his disposition is. Because remember, you and Misha said that fuck Brandon. And then basically the day before that, Brandon supposedly, allegedly kicked your door in. And remember, you was walking around dressed with a damn drink in your hand in a martini glass, talking about to the maintenance people, do you know if they're gonna charge me for this door? Yeah, that's what you was doing. You was extremely, extremely real calm. All I can say is you better go ahead and sit back. And what you better not do, if you like Brandon, you better get yourself together. Because I can also tell you, he's a military man. And all that fucked up type of dressing you be doing or whatever. Because one thing I will say is when Brandon comes on here, he's pulled together with the baseball cap on in the house. I don't know why. But yeah, he got the basic baseball cap on. All right. And from down here, looks like he's matched up and, he's good to go. But, Liv, you already know how you come onto this camera. You already know we done seen the hauls that you have did. So, Liv, this is what I'm saying is it's going to be 2021. Baby, if you need some help, go ahead. My email is in my About Me. And I will have no problem styling you whatsoever. I would do it for free. Only thing I need from you is just to say, Reese styled me. All right. That's it. I will have you in tip-top shape. All right. Because you already know, Liv, the only thing that you know how to do is put that makeup on that face. Now, baby, you definitely can beat that face. But beat that body? Oh, hell no. Hell no. And I gotta say, I don't know why is it, because it's actually with all you mommies, y'all just don't have like no fashion taste or anything. Like, I just be like tripping off of it a little bit. And then some of y'all actually do. Some of y'all, you get what I'm saying, think y'all trendsetters. They really do, because I gotta tell you right now, Chrissy thinks she is a trendsetter. Like I said, you better not ever tell Chrissy that she is not no trendsetter. Chrissy probably will knock your block off your head. And people been in my comments. They been getting like real mad. Like, I like the way she dressed. Oh, okay. If you like the way she dressed, okay. Go ahead and get the links to where she got the stuff from. And you go ahead and order it and do a haul and put it on. I don't care. I'm just saying my goddamn opinion. The hell. But yeah, Liv, you done finally got him on camera and everything. You go, girl. I already know, Liv, you are so tickled inside. Your little butterflies is going all over the place. I can tell y'all right now, since he is actually on camera now, I bet y'all in another month or so, Liv will be right back with them butterfly lashes, because at this point she will feel, wholesome inside, because you know how they are. If they don't have a guy to represent them, to make them feel good, they can't do their daily activities really. And that would consist of her business with her lashes. She says she has lip gloss and all that stuff. And Liv, we are waiting for it. We are waiting for it. All right, we don't want to put you in the same category, of certain people that we call scam artists or whatever, manipulators. You get what I'm saying? Because baby, I done told y'all over and over and over, I done seen some scamming shits on YouTube this past week. I said, damn, But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to slide on off of here. And I'm going to see you beautiful people in the next video. Later.